Can I recover my lost data after rebooting my phone?
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In today's topic, we'll be diving into a very important question. Can you recover your lost data after rebooting your phone? This question becomes paramount when your phone behaves erratically and you have to restart it, but in the process, you lose some important data. Let's explore.
Can rebooting cause data loss?
First things first, does rebooting your phone actually cause data loss? The simple answer is, usually, it does not. Rebooting your phone is akin to restarting your computer. It closes all running applications and clears the temporary data. However, it does not affect your stored data like contacts, messages, photos, or apps.
When can data loss occur?
So when does data loss occur? Well, data loss can occur during a factory reset, not a regular reboot. A factory reset wipes out all your data and restores the phone to its original factory settings. It's recommended when your phone has persistent issues that cannot be resolved with a simple reboot. But, a normal reboot or soft reset should not erase your data unless there's an underlying problem, like corrupted files or a software glitch.
How can I recover lost data?
Now that we've understood the difference between rebooting and resetting, let's move on to our main question. Can we recover lost data? The answer is, it depends. If your data was lost after a simple reboot due to a software glitch or corruption, chances are you might be able to recover it using specialized data recovery tools. These tools scan your phone's internal storage to recover data. Remember, it's crucial to stop using your phone immediately after the data loss to prevent overwriting the lost files. However, if your data was lost after a factory reset, the chances of recovery are quite slim. Factory resets are designed to wipe data in such a way that it can't be easily recovered.
How can I avoid data loss?
The best defense against data loss is a good offense. Regular backups are your best friend in preventing data loss. Always have a copy of your important data stored in a safe place, like a cloud service, Google Drive, iCloud, etc., or an external storage device. This way, even if you lose data on your phone, you can easily restore it from your backup. In conclusion, it's usually safe to reboot your phone without worrying about losing data. However, data loss can happen due to various reasons like software glitches, corrupted files, or a factory reset. While data recovery might be possible in some cases, the best solution is always to keep regular backups of your data. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe and always back up your data.